What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. My name is of course Paul. Now, if you've seen yesterday, we fitted the ESR privacy screen protector to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you haven't seen that video, that's up here for you guys to check out. There is a full iPhone 16 Pro Max playlist. This right here is Pitaka's ultra slim case for iPhone 16 Pro Max. They've sent over two colours. Apparently there's more on the way, so I'll show you them when they arrive. Woven from aramid fibre, if you flip them over. So woven from aerospace grade aramid fibre, 5 times stronger than steel, yet it's lighter than steel. It's excellent durability, lightness and resistance against scratches and discoloration. They sent over the blue and the grey. So this one's called Ocean and the other one is just black grey. Let me show you the Ocean colour first. So the rest are on the way, so make sure you stay tuned for them. Let's go ahead and take both of these out. So it comes with MagSafe Slim Board Module 2.0 built into both of these. And then there we go. So you get the Ocean one, which reminds me of a tablecloth. That's what I've nicknamed it, the tablecloth. And I've put this in one of the group chats I'm in and everyone agreed with me. It does look like a bit of a tablecloth or even like a snazzy shirt. But not to worry. So there's the Ocean. Take that out and then lift this out and you've got some stickers right here. So you can use this to improve the fit of the case if necessary. So you stick them inside the case and it might improve your fit. But I've been using the Ocean since yesterday and I've had no issues, to be honest. So let's take that out. This one will be exactly the same. So what I'll do is I'll show you the Ocean on the phone and I'll talk you through the slim board case, and then I'll put this on last because this is going to be my case of choice for the next couple of days. So let's go ahead. So as you can see, Easy Case 6, Ocean, designed by Pitaka, copyright, all the other stuff inside the slim board. This is the MagSafe ring. It's sort of red etched inside but then blue on the outer. So we go ahead and slap in the iPhone. Now, I do have a screen protector on this and I don't think you're going to be able to place it face down. I think it will touch the screen so it's not protected in that way. As you can see, you've got your cutout for your camera control, cutout for your power button, cutout for your volume and action button. No cutout on the top, however it does recess in ever so slightly around the earpiece. And then it's cut out on the bottom the same way, it etches down, but then it's cut out around the charge port. So there's that. Don't think you're going to be able to place it face down, however those cameras are nice and recessed into this lovely silver housing. It looks great. I do wish they would have made it black on the black version, the black and grey version, but still adds like that little bit of different colour just to settle, just to make it look a little bit different. And the Pitaka logo on the bottom is blue on this one right here to match the case, so it blends in ever so slightly. I wish they would have went a bit darker maybe, or a bit lighter with the Pitaka logo so you could have seen it properly. Who wants to walk around with a brand on the phone case anyway, you know, some people don't want to do that. So let's test out the MagSafe first. So let's bring in the Nomad base stand. Let's go ahead and slap this onto the Nomad base stand. So it slaps on, it's wirelessly charging, and does it lift? Of course it does. Super strong MagSafe on this one. You can't go wrong with it at all. So if we change it up a little bit and bring in the Apple MagSafe battery pack, still haven't got USB-C on it, but doesn't matter to me anyway. So slap it on, tells you a bit about the battery pack, and then obviously it's on there now. So this is what it's going to look like with the battery pack on it. It ain't coming off, and then it snaps off. So, and there we go. So there is the Ocean colour. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section. Is this something you would consider going for? Have you gone for a Pitaka case already? If you ordered one, let me know what you've ordered. But now, my case of choice. And then there is the black and grey version with the Pitaka logo in the silver to match the camera ring. Looks fantastic. I love the aramid fibre feel. So this is the Easy Case 6, but they've called it the ultra slim case. So it is ultra slim, obviously. Not going to add much protection. It will protect those cameras and it will protect some of the sides, etc. But obviously you do have open pieces, especially on the bottom, and your volume rocker, etc. But the screen you can't place face down because it doesn't cover all the way around. There's the black and grey. there's the ocean colour. Let me know which one you go for in the comment section down below. I know which one I'm going for, and it's that one. That's only because I prefer it when it's darker, and this is just a bit too light for me, especially with doing the job that I do. This will get dirty very quickly for me. This is going to be on the phone for the next couple of days. I've got more case videos still to show you. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and which one would you go for. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, if you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn those notifications on. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.